In the modern world, quality is paramount and testing every product is imperative before use. One name distinctly stands out: Bin Rasheed Scientific. Bin Rasheed Scientific is a premier supplier of testing equipment from globally renowned companies serving diverse industries.
So Bin Rasheed Scientific is helping the organizations, whether they are our customers, they are competitors, they are vendors, to develop their labs, to understand how they can innovate and develop more products for the better economy of Pakistan.
Bin Rasheed Scientific ensures comprehensive quality solutions, enables industrial labs of Pakistan to produce export quality products. BRS is a leading provider of analytical high-tech laboratory equipment, offering a range from chromatography to particle size analysis. Water quality monitoring, spectrophotometry and elemental analysis.
We take care of Konica Minolta color spectrophotometry since last 15-16 years. We are their exclusive official partners in Pakistan. We do take care of the instruments of particle size analysis, both of micron scale and nano scale. For that, our principal partner is Horiba Scientific from Japan, and then we take care of the chromatography as well. And in liquid chromatography, we have acquired the distribution from a German company, Knauer, which is one of the pioneers in liquid chromatography and osmometry.
Our mission is to provide you with cost-efficient, top-notch laboratory equipment that adheres to the highest standards. Bin Rasheed Scientific provides instruments and offers services such as repair, troubleshooting, technical assistance in equipment selection, and chemical testing.
Bin Rasheed Scientific basically is taking care of educating the customers, giving them trainings and workshops, and then installation of instrumentations to their labs so that they can have solution of testing of their raw materials and developing of their products, and then after service to repair and maintain the instruments. I mean, they are a complete solution of how to set up a lab and how to run a lab.
With our diverse portfolio, we play a pivotal role in establishing the highest quality standards for laboratory setups across industries. We cater to a wide array of industries, including leather and textile, footwear, plastic and rubber, cosmetics, food and beverage, minerals, educational and R&D centres, pharmaceuticals, agriculture, electrical and various other industries. Take the initial step towards redefining quality assurance in any sector. Elevate your quality assurance with Bin Rasheed Scientific. Remember, quality is the future and it matters.